I was in modeling school.
When were you in modeling school?
She was.
When?
Barbizon.
When I tell you I feel like I don't know my family. Hi YouTube, I'm Lydi'Ann.
Hi YouTube, I'm Elizabeth, Lydi'Ann's mom.
And Maritza and Micah and Jessica. Aside from that, we're back with our second installment of doing someone's makeup. And this time it's my mommy.
Ah.
All right, so we're gonna get started. Fair warning, I am not a makeup artist, so we're gonna see how this one goes again. When did you start wearing makeup, Mom?
Since I was 15.
15?
Mm-hmm.
Not me. I don't even think you guys would let me wear makeup. Would you?
No. I started wearing makeup when I was 16.
Oh, now it's 16. Just make it up for herself.
Not seriously.
She be lying. Once I was 16 years old, I'm a
The first time that I put on makeup was when I was leaving Haiti to come to the United States. I was 16.
Why did you decide to wear makeup when you met your parents? Like, why didn't you decide to like go makeupless? Like, why did you?
Oh, I just wanted to put makeup on. Not that much makeup. My face was powdered and I had lipstick. That was it.
Lipstick?
Yes, lip gloss actually. That was it.
So what is it about makeup that makes you want to wear it, or like that makes people feel like they have to wear it? I mean, not have to, but like enjoy wearing it.
Well, for me, I was in modeling school and we had to wear makeup. And since then, I always love to put it on. Some people like having makeup on because it gives them more confidence in themselves. But I just wear it sometimes, but sometimes I don't.
When were you in modeling school?
She was.
When?
Barbizon.
When I tell you I feel like I don't know my family, I don't even know who you guys are.
When did you learn to do makeup?
Internet? No, I'm kidding. I never looked at the internet. I don't know. One of my friends, she would do makeup and she'd be like, go on YouTube and figure it out, like practice and stuff. And I was never really big on that. So it was really just trial and error on my part. I'm still figuring things out. You know, like my makeup skills aren't the best.
But you are doing well. I saw what you did to my mom's face.
Yeah, it's like I can make it work.
Ludi, what are you doing on my face?
This is contouring. Not sure why people do it. This is one of the things that I'm still trying to figure out. So we're just gonna roll with it.
Okay. What does contouring do?
I don't know. It's supposed to give your face dimensions or something. What's your most favorite part of your face?
My mouth.
Ugh! Ugh! Why?
I'm told that I have a beautiful mouth.
Ugh! Who said that? Don't say it was my father. For real.
I don't. You ladies.
How do you feel about lip liner?
I love lip liner.
Why?
It shows the shape of my mouth.
Your sexy mouth.
It shows the shape of my mouth.
Your sexy mouth, because she likes her mouth and everyone loves it, right?
Okay, Lydi'Ann, thank you very much.
No, I don't. Stop, Mom. You're making me seem like a troll in the dungeon. Don't you ought to know? Okay, Mom, we're about to show you your look, and be honest. Don't do the mom thing and spare my feelings.
Look at this! It's beautiful. Thank you. I like it. You did a good job.
Girl.
You did a good job. A
Alright.
really good job.
All right, so there you have it, YouTube. This is like the second look. Maybe my dad will let me do his makeup. I mean, we'll see, right? Let's just keep this going. Super excited that my mom liked her look, and hopefully we can do this again. How do you feel?
I feel so proud. Thank you. You did a good job.
No.
I love you.
Not with your lipstick. I'll give you a hug. All right, so don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Later.
Bye.